One of the questions we get asked quite a bit is, what can I do before joint replacement surgery to get ready? One of the most important things when you're scheduling with us, we're going to give you this book that's your knee replacement surgery reference guide or hip replacement guide. I think making sure you read through the book, looking at the medications we're going to use and what the day of surgery is going to look like, looking through some of the physical therapy exercises is really helpful. Inside the book, you'll notice we keep a cell phone that is just for our surgical patients. So that's there, so if you have questions or concerns at any point, you can just shoot us a text or call us and we can get back to you. It's always a good idea before surgery to talk to your family, whoever's going to be taking you the day of surgery and maybe helping you out for a couple days afterwards. And I think letting other providers know, so your family doctor is a good person to contact and just tell them, hey, we've got this joint replacement coming up. If you see a cardiologist, we will be sending them a letter to get clearance, so touching base with them is also really important. We know that protein intake before surgery is associated with better outcomes, so we're going to ask that you increase your protein intake to 150 grams a day. Usually that involves taking some supplements like a protein shake. And the reason we do that is that it helps speed recovery and it decreases your chances of complication at the time of surgery.